First, you're going to need some brushes. I recommend this face paint. Try not to get an oil-based face paint. It looks oily and it's hard to wash off. You're going to need a water cup and also makeup sponges. Use a makeup sponge to apply a white base. Make sure it's as pigmented and smooth as can be. If you're looking for a traditional look, use black for the eye sockets or use a chosen color. Make sure to try to keep your line work neat. When doing designs, try to keep it in one motion. Noses can be an M shape, triangle, or even a circle, depending on your preference. When drawing the mouth, you start from the top of the ear all the way down to the corners of the mouth. Draw circles around the eye just like a flower. Try to keep them as symmetrical as possible. Then outline it black. Use a dark color and blend to a light color by blotting in a swiping motion. Draw designs on forehead, chin, and if you have space, cheeks. Have a happy Dia de los Muertos.